Welcome to our nature reserve, which is on the Dorset coast in Poole Bay. So I'm walking from the car park up through mixed woodland, up to a viewpoint out over the Purbeck coast and across to Corfe Castle. We're looking across Poole Bay to Studland Heath, and on the horizon is the chalk ridge of the Purbeck Hills. This ridgeline stretches from Old Harry Rocks across to Lulworth. So now we're following a footpath that will bring us out to marshes and a beach on the edge of Poole Harbour. Across the bay there is Poole, and that's Brownsea Island, which is managed by the National Trust and Dorset Wildlife Trust. We're right on the edge of Poole Bay now, on a narrow stretch of beach. We're heading on through more woods to a boggy area with ponds, which is at the moment full of mating dragonflies. I'm walking back towards the car park and cafe area, and that sound you can hear are military helicopters that have been flying around for most of the morning. These fields are part of the only farm that's in the middle of the Arne Nature Reserve. Now we're looking out over Coombe Heath, where a lot of waders hang out in the shallow water. For a while now I've been enjoying watching a great egret from this hide, who seems to like stalking its prey into the shore. It then flies out a short way into the water and repeats the process. So this area around us is called Hyde's Heath, where a pine plantation has been felled, and the heathland that's growing back now is now being managed by rangers and cattle. I'm going to leave Arne Nature Reserve and head over to Studland Beach for an evening walk.